Hello everyone, welcome back or welcome to my channel. Today we're going to unbox an S20. So if you want to see what they look like, keep watching. Okay, this is the S20 Plus. So that comes with a seal. If my nail didn't rip the seal, it's that tough. Probably should have just got something to slice it, but see if my nail will slice it. Nope. Gonna have to keep picking at it. I got half of it. There we go. Look how pretty that is. Okay. Grey one, but I'll have a case on it, so the colour won't even matter. And you get a USB charger, headphones, but these, because the S20s don't have a headphone socket, spare ear doobie things. This comes with a C-type, just to go in the charger port, and they're just normal earbuds. And you also get the C-type. There we go. USB. Hang on. They're both C-type ends. They're both C-type. So they're this. Yeah, it is. I just said that. So it's not a USB charger. That's cool. And a button on the side to boot her up. Look at that colour. This is a major upgrade. I have an S6 Plus Edge. Awesome. So major upgrade from 6 to 20. That's cool. Okay, English. I've read them all. Yes, Hannah. And I don't know the password. So, I'll have to go out and get the internet password to keep setting it up, because my head's not a teletext. I can't remember passwords all the time. So, yeah, if you like this video. Oh, screen goes out really fast. And it does come with, I'll have to say before I let you go, which I thought was pretty cool. If it had come out of a box. There we go. In the bottom of the actual phone box, there's a key for your SIM card. Okay, but in case you don't buy a case straight away, Samsung have got you covered. Okay, it's just a clear gel case. But that'll do me for now. I will get myself a wallet case so I can protect the screen and the back, because the back's glass, I think. Yeah, the back's glass. So I will be getting a wallet case for it, but it comes with a clear gel case. How mad's that? I haven't taken the back protector off or the front, but it's the best protection I've got right now, so I'll take it. Okay, thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya.